Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I'm going to discuss a program to find the largest element in an array. So let's first discuss the algorithm for finding the largest element in an array. So what I will do is I will choose the first element of the array to be the largest and compare that first element with the second element of the array. So if second element is happen to be larger than the first, so my largest element will become the second element. So I will keep on doing this up to I will get to the end of the array and I get the largest element of this that array. So that will be the algorithm. So let's apply this algorithm using Python code. So suppose I have this array. So I am having the six elements. So according to algorithm, the first element, I will take first element to be the largest element. And then I will iterate over the whole loop and compare this element with the next element. So this for I in range 1 comma length of the array. So this is my array. So what I will do, I will iterate from this element to up to this element. So initially I will take value 1. So this code will actually produce this array and I will take value 1. So this is actually the index. So I is my index. So at index 1 my element is 8. So 8 is greater than this L, which is 4. This is true. So my value of L will get changed. So the largest value will assign to the variable L. So my value of L will become 8. And so this is the else part. So this will not run. So my control will go to the, so in the second iteration, the control will go to this for loop. So in the second iteration, my I will take value 2, which is index 2. So at index 2, element is 2. So 2 is greater than 8. So see at index 2, and this is my second iteration. This is the value of I in second iteration, which is 2. So at index 2, the element is 2. This is my element at index 2. So since this element 2 is less than 8, since this 2 is less than 8, so this will not run, this block will not run. So my control, so else part of this code will run. So it will come to the else part. So else part says continue. So continue means it will take the control again to the for loop. It will iterate to third iteration. So the code below continuous statement will not work. So this is the function of continuous statement. It give the control to the for loop to the next iteration, which is in this case is third iteration. So I will take in third iteration I will take 3 value, which is index 3. So at index 3 my element is 7. So at index this third iteration where I will take value 3, array element is 7. So 7 is greater than 8. The 7 is greater than 8. This is false. So this will not work. So again it will come to the else part. It will continue to the fourth iteration. So my I value will become 4. So at fourth position my element is 16. So at fourth iteration I will take value 4 and the value of element at the fourth index is 16. So 16 is greater than 8. This 16 is greater than 8. Yes, this is true. So my new value will become, so largest value will become 16. So L will equals to 16. So my value of L will become 16 in the fourth iteration. Now, then again, the control will go to, this control will go to the for loop. So I will take value in fifth iteration, I will take value 5. So at 5 index, element is 9. So 9, this is fifth iteration. I will take value 5 to index 5 and the array value is 9. So 9 is greater than 16. This is false, this will not work. So it will come to the this else part, and else part has continue statement, so it will go to the next iteration. Since my iteration has come to the end, there is no other value, so the loop will terminate. So at last it will come to this statement, print statement. Okay, so this print statement is out of the block of this for loop. So it will print the largest is 16. So output will be largest element is 16. Thanks.